Guys, so welcome back to my channel, and today is day 7 and we're doing this Freddy Krueger look. This is kind of gonna be the basics of how you want to do any sort of like burn like special effects makeup. This is really the easiest version that I find, because you only have to really use one product to actually get the effect, and then the other products are just shading in with either eyeshadow or paint. But I'm going to start off by blocking my brows just a little bit. I didn't block them well enough, you could still see them through the concealer, but I just still wanted to block it enough to where if I do get that like jelly product, it's the 3D gel. I'm gonna link it down below in my Amazon storefront, so you get the exact one that I purchased. And essentially it's like this 3D gel that you just heat up in hot water and then you place it on your skin. It's almost like latex, but not really. It doesn't stink as much, and I just find that it's a lot less messy to work with, in my opinion, to work with. But yeah, it gives you that burn effect that the latex can give you, but I just feel like since it's 3D, it gives it more dimension and more realistic look and feel to it. So for this side, I'm just going to do my makeup as usual. I'm just starting off with my foundation, and then I'm going to go ahead and add my concealer, and everything that I do with my face makeup, pretty much the same. So for this eyeshadow look, I kind of wanted to go for it, kind of mimic the burn effect, but just as an eyeshadow look. So I actually go in with a bunch of the reds and oranges and yellows to kind of create like that sort of tie-dye effect. So I do like a cut crease, or not a cut crease, I swipe the color all over my crease, and then I do little dot sections of orange, and then in the middle I'm gonna add red, and then to shade out the outer corners of the dots that I made, I'm gonna use like a yellowish, so it kind of gives that burn effect, or kind of ties into the just the color scheme of the look that we're gonna do on the other side. Now for the special effects makeup, you're gonna, for the burn area, this could work for not only Freddy Krueger, but if you're doing like a full face of like burn FX makeup, if you're also doing like a Harvey Dent look where it's like half face, you can do this method. So I want to start off with just painting my under eye red and my lid, just or sort of like a bruise, like if you got like a black eye and it's healing, that's what I'm just putting different shadows that would create that look, using red and like the burgundies and such like that. And then you just want to place the product. So again, this product is in a tube and it's sort of like a thick consistency, and once you put it in hot water, it dissolves to this sort of liquid. It can be really hot, so you want to be careful. Just put it in hot water and let it cool down just a slight bit. You want to do a patch test on your hand to see if it's hot, because you don't want to burn your face. And then you just pour it all over. So at first I started off with the brush. I was painting it all over, but then I just felt like straight from the tube worked better. And while I did it straight from the tube, I did it in circular motions just to give me that effect already, just to create some hollows and some indentations while placing it on. So it made me work, you know, I didn't have to work half as hard in the end, because I created those hollows that is going to create that 3D effect even more. So I'm just placing that all over. Be careful not to get it in your eye like I almost did here. And you pretty much want to, again, place it all over, and as it's drying, you can tap it and create like indentations or like pull it apart, just to create, again, more of that like ripped skin, ripped flesh, sort of burning like underlayer of your skin. It creates that effect, so you just want to pull it away. It gives that, and then when you paint it and you add your shadows, it will just dramatize that even more. Like I said, as it's dried down a bit, it's still tacky, but I can pull it away and it gives that sort of indentation. You can see like some pullaways, and then that's where you're going to paint inside, and you're just going to create shadows and depth, and it looks like ripped skin. So that's what I'm just doing in certain hollows. And then you want to set that all in to get rid of the shine, as well as just set in the makeup. You just want to use some setting powder. I use this translucent powder. It's actually not translucent. It does have a bit of a tint, but you know, it's not too brightening or anything like that. So you just want to pat that in, and then I'm going in with some browns and some reds, as well as some deep burgundies and just all those types of colors. And I'm just mixing them all in different areas of where I created the hollows. Just create shadows pretty much. There's no like rhyme or reason. Honestly, I just went in different areas with different colors. I went in with the burgundy, I went in with the brown, I mixed them all together. I like just did everything. So for the first bit, I'm just going in with all the hollows and where I want like the darker shadows to be. But then after that, I kind of go all over with the red, but I'm just going in with the shadows right now, just seeing where I want more of that dark color, more depth to kind of look and protrude and everything like that. So again, I place some red shadow all over, just all over like the base, because you want still that red peeking through. Let it be like burnt skin. Obviously, it's just going to be throbbing red all over, I would assume, if you're burned like this. And then I just add some more of that 3D gel just to give even more dimension. So I layer it on top of what I've already applied, and I just wanted it closer to my eye. I didn't want to get it as close to my eye, but you know, as close as possible without getting in my eye, just to give it more of that realistic burn effect. And again, I'm layering it on top of what I've already laid down, just to create more depth and more sort of shadows and whatnot. Just you have fun with it. Honestly, it doesn't hurt. Like, this gel is like, I feel like it's the easiest thing to do this effect with. I know you can make your own sort of gel with so if you run out, because honestly this is such a small tube, so if you want to make this in a small batch, if you want to do more effects like either all over your whole body, I can definitely have my other tutorial, I could definitely show you how you can actually make this product on your own using gelatin. Really simple, quick, and easy. I'll definitely show you guys in my next video, or a video coming up. No, probably not my next one, but something soon. Honestly, that's pretty much it. I just set that all in with the powder, and then I just go in again, just checking where it needs to be shadows, where browns need to go, any other colors, and that is the look. Ooh, she is burnt, crispy. Okay, Freddy Krueger. Yes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.